What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel, and while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 3 free fractional share stocks. You put $500 in your new Webull brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay, act today. Get yourself down in the description box, click on that Webull link, open up that Webull account, go get that free stock, go get that free money. I will also send you a Webull tutorial video to walk you through how to use the Webull brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfane.net. Let me know you've opened that Webull account. Let me know you funded it, and I'm going to send you out that Webull tutorial video so that you can take advantage of an amazing opportunity to build wealth, man, in 2025. Don't miss this opportunity. Well, guys, it's been a tough 4 months. Well, let me correct myself. The first 2 months of 2025 were amazing. I made a lot of money, man, in the FCF, free cash flow, short-term investment strategy. And then all of a sudden, the month of March rolled around. And then the month of April rolled around. And y'all know what happened at the beginning of April, Liberation Day. I'm not sure if it's Liberation Day or not, but I can tell you on my end, things started getting sideways on me a little bit with the stock market, right? It was very predictable in January and February, and even somewhat predictable in March. But as the increased volume of tariffs started to overwhelm my eardrums, it started going the other way on me. But you know something? That's just the way it is, man. I'm back in the month of May. I'm getting ready to make me some money, man. Came up with a new strategy that I believe is going to make me a bunch of money for the rest of the year. And the new strategy is this. I've already shared this with my wealth builders on my Patreon financial community, but I'll share it with you guys. Here's the strategy. My goal is to keep my reserve cash on the sideline, and I'm going to take a small part of the reserve cash and just go ahead and dibble and dabble in the stock market from a short-term investing standpoint to create some FCF. And I'm going to save the majority of my reserve cash for deep dips. And I believe we're going to continue to have deep dips as, you know, tariff news rolls out from 47. All I can do is get myself in a position to make money every day that the stock market is open. Buying these big boy blue chip paper assets, some gorilla stocks every now and then, but really just concentrating on making money, man. I can't focus on something that I can't control, right? And that's the strategy for me. So take maybe 25% of my reserve cash, and every day I'll look for opportunities to make a little bit of FCF, and then take the other 75% of my cash reserve, and I'll just wait until we get a big dip. And for me, a big dip is 1,000 points decline of the Dow. For me, that's a deep dip, right? So let me give you an example. Market opens on Monday and the Dow starts out at 40,000 points. And then all of a sudden on Tuesday, we get bad news and it goes down to 39,000 points, 3850, 38,000, you know, it just drops. Then to me, that's a deep dip. And that's when I'll take the other 75% of my cash and get into the market. And then what I'll do is once we have a little mini rally, Dow goes up 1,000 points, 1,500 points, whatever it is, basically recover, right? It goes from, you know, 38,000 to 39,000 back to 40,000. That's a recovery, right? That's a rally. That's a recovery rally. And that's when I'll sell. And I'll just keep doing that with 75% of my cash reserve for the rest of the year. make it easy on myself. Just wait for the dip, the deep dip, which it'll come. Why? Because we still don't have any conclusion to tariffs. The market is still uncertain the impact of tariffs will have for the rest of 2025. And we're no closer to having a conclusion. Why? Because we've not struck a deal with anybody. And if we have struck deals, no one has come out from the White House and said we struck any deals and kind of walked us through what the deal is. And really, it's walking investors through what's going on because, you know, institutional investors, hedge funds, billionaires, these are the folks you need to walk through it so that they have more certainty and they're willing to put their money back in the stock market. Right now, they're not willing to do that. That's why last week you had 3 CEOs of America's largest retailers go to 47 and have a sit down with him, right? You had the Walmart CEO, and I believe you had the Home Depot CEO, and I want to say the other one was Target. They went in and had a meeting with 47 and said, hey man, listen, in a few months, we're not going to have anything on the shelves. Because most of this stuff, at least the produce, meats and that kind of stuff, most of the hard goods, hard products, they come from China or some of these other countries that we deal with. So they had to go and have a sit down with 47 and say, hey man, we're not going to have anything on the shelves. And I think he listened. And you also know the Treasury Secretary, Scott Bessent, I think that's his name, he had a closed door meeting with, the 1% as well. And I think he went back and told 47, listen, man, we gotta rein this thing back in, this fight with China. We gotta start telling people some good news about something about China. We can't continue to play a social media war with China. I think what we're going to see, guys, is you're going to still see a volatile stock market because we have no conclusion to tariffs. We don't. So I'm going to take advantage of that, right? Anytime we get bad news, we get a tweet or something like that the market don't like, they're going to sell off. And that's when I'll deploy the most of my, or the majority of my cash reserve. That's when I'll deploy it during that particular time. Outside of that, I'll just keep it on the sideline. I'll take about 25% of it and make me a little FCF here and there, right? And be patient. Just got to be patient, man. That's what I've learned over this month of April, man. I've learned patience, man. Because what you think is good is bad. What you think is bad is good. That's how this thing is working right now. So what's the easiest way for me to make some money? Just wait for the dip. Just be patient, stay on the sideline, wait for the dip. And that's what I'm going to do. Now, that doesn't mean I'm not going to dollar cost average in every single month like I've been doing for the next 9 years. I'm going to continue to do that. I don't care if the market's up, down, or sideways on Wealth Transfer Blueprint 1.0. I'm going to stay the course on that. That's every month. Dollar cost average in. But I'm talking about my reserve cash that's not invested right now. It's just sitting on the sideline. That's what I'm talking about. That right there is the cash that I'm going to use for the rest of the year to actually make money. But right now, my theory is the only way I can make big money is I got to be patient and wait for the dip on the majority of that money. And then, like I said, I'll take 25% of it on a day-to-day basis that the market is open. If I can identify something that I can make money, I'll deploy 25% of it. If I can't identify anything that day, I won't. And that's just got to be patience, man. This is how we're going to build wealth. We got to be patient, guys. We got to be patient. So drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about that strategy. I know some of y'all going to be like, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. That's okay. I'm in a 2025 Ferrari 296 GTS. And I got another 2020 Ferrari F8 Tributo at home. And I got a 2024 G-Wagon, right? G63 AMG G-Wagon. So I'm doing okay. Live in a beautiful community. Got another beautiful house I just left. So guys, I'm not bragging or boasting. I'm just telling you I'm okay. I'm okay. Got a high income skill level where I make plenty of money every single month to take care of anything I need to take care of. So I don't got nothing to prove to nobody. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing because that's what I do on my YouTube channel. Whether you agree or disagree, that's on you. I really don't care. I'm gonna do my thing. Y'all know that. Y'all know how I've been rolling. If you've been rocking with my channel since 2020, you know how I roll. I done had 4 Ferraris, 4 of them. Lamborghini truck. Oh, I done had all kind of stuff, man. All I'm telling you is whatever's important to you, you can have it. But you got to stop listening to other people. And you got to come up with your plan and execute that plan. As long as you do that, man, you're going to be Gucci. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Webull going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put $100 in there, they're going to give you 3 free fractional share stocks. You put $500 in there, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. Limited time offer. Don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down in that description box and click on that Webull link. Open up that Webull account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfane.net. Got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that'll change your life. Thousands of you guys have already checked them out. And I get good comments back from you guys who purchased them. All it's going to do is help increase your financial literacy, man, so you can become a better investor. So if you want to be a better investor, check out the digital products. If you don't want to check them out, then don't. I'm okay with that because I'm going to be on YouTube every single day, 365 days a year. Somebody going to check them out. I hope it's you. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,900 wealth builders headed to 2,000. All we do in that financial community is help each other build wealth through nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working, and just creating a safe environment for you to build wealth, man. If you want to be a part of that, all you got to do is click on that join button, that membership button in the website, and click on it. Come join us, right? It'll take you over to Patreon, and just come join us, man. Sign up. Come be a part of this movement. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.